Amerika e pachuka eri migosi Eric Nidla olero kanyo ni nyaka sani piny Amerika osemiyo Kenya doses mag kedo gi midhusi mar corona mago mag chanjo milion 4. Olero ni chanjo mamoko maromo milion 6 bende Amerika biro miyo Kenya e kinde mabiro. Koloso e twak makende gi jofwambo e kinde manolimo bomanieri ma Kisumu, migosi Nidla nolero bende moko kuom chenro ma Amerika oseketo mar konyo kanyakla kata tiyo kanyakla gi Kenya weche geko mag arita, weche mag ohala, kaachiel gi weche geko mag jiwo dongruok mag oganda jo Kenya.
States and Kenya have what's called the bilateral strategic dialogue every year. And so that's what part of the reason the Secretary visited was to hold the bilateral strategic dialogue with his counterpart, CS Amamo. They touched on all the areas that you just mentioned. And so starting with the trade piece of it, that was absolutely a discussion between the two of them. And what the Secretary noted to CS Amamo as well as to President Kenyatta is that the United States is very committed to finding ways to continue to partner and deepen the trade relationship between our two countries. What exactly that's going to look like, that's going to be up to our U.S. trade representative and CS Maina on the Kenyan end. They continue to have discussions about that, and so I would encourage you to stay tuned as they have those discussions, and they talk quite frequently. On the security relationship, that's also something that the Secretary of State discussed with CS Amamo and with the President. You rightly pointed out that going back to the embassy bombing in 1998, in the intervening 23 years, we, the United States and Kenya, have had a very, very strong security partnership all across the board. It's very active in a number of different ways, whether that's training